start again. It's a rich thing.
This huge facility produces exactly 900,000 cigarettes every day. It starts with the highest quality tobacco leaves that come to the factory. These leaves are meticulously selected and processed. The cigarettes that come out of the production line at the heart of the factory are packaged by state-of-the-art robots. Hundreds of packs are made ready every minute and begin their journey to be distributed around the world. There is a production line that is kilometers long. See how the world's finest cigars are produced. Selected tobacco leaves go through a fermentation process. Each cigar is shaped by expert hands. The tobacco leaves are carefully rolled, giving each cigar a unique shape. This masterful process continues with traditions that have not changed for centuries. Each cigar emerges like a work of art according to the place where it is produced and the skill of the master. This machine is capable of perfectly packaging hundreds of cigarettes in a minute. Each cigarette is aligned and placed into packs with millimeter precision. This speed and precision provide an efficiency that could never be achieved with traditional methods. That's why modern factories prefer this type of automatic machines. Millions of pencil factories. The granules used for plastic bodies are melted in special machines and poured into molds. Specially prepared ink is filled into the body of the pencil by precision machines. During this process, each pencil is ensured to receive equal amounts of ink and the correct density. How about discovering what goes on in a perfume factory and how these impressive scents are captured in bottles? These tanks form the basic structure of the perfume. Each essence is mixed and rested in certain proportions. The magic of the perfume is not only hidden in its scent, but also in its bottle. In the production line, each perfume is carefully bottled. The magic of lipstick lies in its color. It all begins with a careful selection of the highest quality pigments. The melted lipstick mixture is poured into special molds and quickly cooled. These molds allow the lipstick to take on its classic cylindrical shape. The cooled lipsticks are meticulously placed in elegant and sleek tubes. Finally, the lipsticks are carefully packaged and sent to stores around the world. Rubber is the basic material of erasers, and this material is carefully selected to meet high-quality standards. The processed rubber is mixed with other ingredients in huge mixers. This mixture determines the final texture and erasing performance of the eraser. The shaped eraser dough is sent to cooling tunnels. In these tunnels, the erasers solidify and become durable. After the erasers are cut, the brand's logo and other information are stamped on them. Everything starts with the selection of the most important component of the brush, the bristles. The quality of the brush, the prepared bristles are brought together in special machines and fixed tightly. The most critical stage that determines this is the preparation of the bristles. Each brush goes through a rigorous quality control process before it leaves the production line. The brushes are cleaned one last time and packaged. Bullet production begins with the selection of extremely high-quality raw materials. It is the production of the shell, which is the outer shell of the bullet. These shells, made of brass, are shaped in large machines and brought to a certain thickness. One of the most critical parts of a bullet is the lead core. Lead is melted at high temperatures and poured into special molds to form the cores. After the shells are prepared, it is time to fill the gunpowder. After the bullets are produced, the quality control phase begins. In the final stage, the bullets are carefully packaged and made ready for distribution. How are these thin but durable gloves produced? The production of latex gloves begins with the processing of latex obtained from natural rubber trees. The production of latex gloves continues with the preparation of hand-shaped molds. The prepared molds are immersed in a heated latex bath, and a thin layer of latex forms around the molds. The solidified latex is placed in ovens for the vulcanization process. Each glove is tested for flexibility, tear resistance, and integrity. The gloves that pass quality control are subjected to a sterilization process and carefully packaged. Arrow making is not just a craft. It is also a process that requires technology and craftsmanship. Each arrow is a masterpiece of engineering that hits its target. Now we have discovered the intricate manufacturing process behind this simple yet effective weapon. Now you will remember this meticulous process when you use an arrow. Each helmet undergoes strict quality control and safety tests at the end of the production process.